Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in this video we are going to be creating a natural looking makeup. So I want to start with saying that to find makeup for a natural look is more harder than you think. So I would say you have to wear colors which are as close to your skin type as possible. So yeah, if you want to see how I perfected this natural makeup look, please stay tuned and let's jump right into the video. So first, it is really important that you moisturize your face. At the moment am trying out the moisturizer by Glamglow. It's really small packaging. They are pretty expensive, so I didn't really want to buy a big one and then end up not liking it. So just trying out little things before I get big ones. And it evens your skin and just makes the makeup easier to apply, so it's really good to moisturize your face. So since I already done that, now we are moving on to the concealer. I'm gonna use the Kylie Jenner's concealer in a shade Shell. So you want to put your chosen concealer on any blemish or imperfection on your face. So my face naturally is really red, so I can't really cover all my face in concealer. So I'm just have a little bigger red spot over here, here. So just put wherever you feel like you have to put a little bit of concealer on to have a bit more coverage. And then I'm going to be using the beauty blender just to press it in. Try to keep it on the area which you try to cover, so don't smudge it everywhere, just step it slowly where you want to cover your blemishes. So after that you want to apply a powder or light airy liquid foundation. Make sure you don't reach for the full coverage one, as we are going for a neutral look. Remember that. For the neutral look, it would be probably better if you would be using the powder foundation. I don't own one, as I am more like full coverage girl, and I had troubles finding any kind of liquidy, airy, like light coverage foundations. So I'm gonna be using the Nars foundation in shade Gobi, which is all day luminous weightless foundation. So I'm gonna be using that one, I'm afraid, but I only gonna take it just a little bit. So if you have a really light foundation, go for that one. So I'm sorry, that's all what I have. So just put a little bit on top of your hand. So I just one pump for me, just a little tiny bit. So then I'm going to be taking my finger and just putting a little dots all over my face to make sure I don't start to use way too much. So just a little dots to be more in control how much you are actually using. And then using a beauty blender or a brush, whichever you prefer, just blend that foundation out. So I'm done with my foundation. As you can see, I still have a little light in my face, so I still have redness here and here. So I have like made my skin look really even, but I still have that natural glow in my face, which is not covered by the foundation. So that's good, because we want that, don't we? Then for a blush, depending on your skin color, blush colors will be different, but peaches is looking good on every skin tone, so go for the peach one, safe option. And I'm gonna be using the BareMinerals one in shade Nutty, which is more like a pinkish one. So, and you want to blend it in your cheekbone where the pink color actually shows. So for me it's really easy to find, as I already have some redness. So I usually don't use the the blush, but for sake of this video, I'm gonna go and do it. So the blush is done. So when it comes to your eyes, make sure to apply a neutral color. So that means pick a color 1 or 2 shades darker than your skin tone. And I'm gonna be using the Morphe palette, which I absolutely love at the moment. And I'm gonna be using this color over here. So you don't want to get way too much. You just set your eyelid to make it look gorgeous. Sorry guys, I had to stop myself there and just to do a voiceover because I found myself really rumbling in this part and not really saying what I wanted to say. So I'm putting some eyeshadow on my eye in really natural color just to hide any imperfections on my eyelid. Like, I have really light skin on my lid, which allows my blood veins to show through it. So with some eyeshadow I can cover that but still have a really nice natural look. So we are not creating any big looks with the eyeshadows. You just pick one shade, put it on your lids, and you're good to go. So moving on to the mascara, a really thin layer of it will be more than enough. So if you have really light lashes, put a little bit of like 1 or 2 strokes of the mascara. But if your lashes are already dark, you can skip the mascara part. So my lashes are really light, so I'm gonna put a little bit of mascara because you don't want to lose the tension from your eyes. You still want your eyes to pop out and show, right? So just like 1 or 2 strokes to make sure you cover it all. So for this look we are skipping the eyeliner part as it creates more dramatic look, which we don't want to create in this video. Lastly, for the lips, you want to go for a light pink, peach or a sand color. You can also apply, if you like, a little gloss to make your lip even more simple. So I'm going to be using the L'Oreal Paris lip gloss, which is like really old, so still like it. And I'm using the shade Girl on Top 101. So yeah. Thank you guys for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please press that huge thumbs up button down below and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. You can follow me on social media, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram. They all gonna be linked down below. And yeah, I really hope you enjoyed it, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!